Are you losing money every single year on your Mary Kay business? I'm here to talk today about something that should never happen in 99.99999% of the time on a tax return that has a Mary Kay business. Now, we're talking about a sole proprietorship here. Other rules apply for a sub S corp and everything, but primarily talking to 99% of the Mary Kay consultants out there today that stop counting your inventory. Stop. And I'll tell you why. Now, I'm talking a little bit slower in this video because I want it to go longer than 5 minutes so it stays in a video and not a short. I want it to stay in the regular YouTube videos so that you can get this. Now, what I'd like you to do is grab your 2024 tax return. You can pause the video and come back, grab your 2024 tax return. Now, I've been doing this for 47 years, helping Mary Kay women save money on their taxes. The proof is in the pudding. I don't have time to show you all the money that I've gotten back because of inventory. And especially first year people that say, oh, I didn't sell much. Do I have to claim my business? Well, you can write off that 100% of the inventory that you bought. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is on the screen, if you have your 2024 tax return in front of you, go to Schedule C, page 1, line F as in Frank. Now, if you have the cash box checked, then continue on this video. If you have the accrual box checked, then don't continue with this video because then inventory applies to you. Okay? So if you have that cash box checked, keep going. Now go down to page 2 of your Schedule C and look at line 41. Now, if you have an inventory number in there, that's how much you lost a percentage of that inventory number on your taxes last year. But we can correct it for 2025. And now I'm going to tell you the theory behind it. And I know this is boring. You can fast forward it through if you don't want to listen to this. You want to get right to it. But if you're on the cash basis of accounting, what comes in to you, what you receive in the year is counted as income. And what you spend or pay out is counted as an expense. Even if you put $2,000 worth of makeup on your credit card on December 31st at 11:59 p.m., you are financially responsible for that, and that is an expenditure, and that is an expense. That is not inventory. That is an expense. Most accountants, what they do is they count that as inventory because they want a CYA. I know most of you know what CYA is because they never really thought about it. I'm going back to the basics of accounting 101. The other side of the coin is the accrual method. That means if you're on the accrual method, which 99% of you are not, that means that you match your income and expenses. So if you get $2,000 worth of makeup on December 31st, that has to be counted as inventory. It's not an expense because you haven't sold it. Okay? The cash basis, this has stood up in audits. Okay? I don't get audited much, knock on wood, maybe 4 times in 47 years, but it stood up. What you go through every single year counting your inventory is crazy. And I know people on the internet, I know people on Facebook, they'll tell you, here's the inventory sheet that you need to count. Forget it. Forget it. Now, I'm going to tell you how to fix it. Now, if you go to, and well, I got to back up, because if you go to your accountant who's been doing this for years and say, hey, I'm going to zero out my inventory because some guy on the internet told me to. Well, I'm not some guy on the internet. I've been doing taxes since I've been 14 years old, and that's 47 years plus. Okay. And a lot of Mary Kay taxes. I was a Mary Kay consultant as well. So it's not just some guy on the internet. You're going to get a pushback. You're going to say, hey, I don't want to get audited. It's not going to get you audited. Okay, that's not what gets you audited. Following the accounting rules is what you should do. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how to fix it if you're a do-it-yourselfer. And I'm going to have to pop over to one of these screens. You won't see this screen come up, but I'll put it on the video. I didn't plan on going this far with this video, but that's okay. We'll keep on going because this is going to save you money. I mean, this video is designed to save you money. It's not information. It's designed to save you money. So if you look at page 2 of your 2024, just pretend that's a 2025. Now on line 35, you're going to have your beginning inventory, which was last year's inventory. Let's say that was $10,000. And then you're going to have your purchases. Let's say that's $5,000. And you're going to add up line 40. That's $15,000. Now, on 41, you want to put a zero. A zero. It'll give you $15,000 on line 42. It might send line 7 into a negative, but that's okay. It's an adjustment. That's all you need to know. But look, I mean, if you want to get in touch with me, just email me at steve@do-my-taxes.com. And I'm happy to help anybody through this. I don't need to do your tax return per se. If you want me to do it, that's fine. I don't need to do it. What I want to do is help you save money. That's it. I've been helping people for 47 years plus save money. Stop counting your inventory. Look in the description below. You'll see my email. I'm not worried about my email being out there. I'm out there on the net. People can find me. But please, please, please stop counting your inventory. Like if you had $10,000 of inventory last year, that's at least $2,000 in your pocket that you're going to realize when you do your 2025 taxes. Everybody's tax rate is different, but on average, it's about $2,000 for $10,000, 20%. So I hope this video has been informative. I hope that you get a win. If you don't get a win, call me and we can help you get a win. But like and subscribe only if you got value. Notice I didn't put that at the beginning. I want you to get value. If you get value, you'll like and subscribe. If not, you'll move on and hopefully have a prosperous Mary Kay business, because I know a lot of women that do, and they are wonderful people to work with. So take care and have a great Christmas, because it's the Christmas season.